Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I traveled all the way to Grasmere. I just want to show you how the place looks, how beautiful is the place, and where you can visit when you come here. So let's go guys, and we see what's happening. Just want to get some ice creams here.
This one looks nice, yeah?
Yes.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Hi there.
Good.
Which one?
Me, I want this one.
This one?
Yes. Can I get two? Yeah,
Yes.
2 cups of this.
Yeah.
2 single cups or 1 double?
Double or single? Double or
Two
double?
with 2 cups with doubles.
Yeah.
Yes.
And
Thank
all
you.
raspberry.
No, it's all right.
Sorry?
Raspberry is all right for me. I
Just
don't know you.
Or the same.
The same? You don't want to try something different? Okay.
Thank you.
It's £9, please.
You want another one? Yes.
Is it
Okay.
card?
Card, yeah.
Yes, cut. Okay. Yeah.
Lovely, thank you.
So this is where you get the famous ice cream here in Grasmere.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Okay.
It's like that's to be honest.
Okay, Daisy.
So here we do have Lakeland restaurant and cafe. You find a lot of stuff in here. Grasmere souvenirs. A lot is in here, guys. Also ice creams here. They have nice ice creams. Very tasty in this area. So let's continue exploring the village. Is it the village or town? I'll check just now.
Yes, you gotta walk backwards. Gotta walk backwards all the way.
Right.
Not many dogs like that.
It's a touristic area, so it's always packed with people coming to see the place, since it's a very nice place. Beautiful mountains around, and the air here is so refreshing.
Yes. Is a crook? I don't know. This is very nice.
Pictures are nice.
That is a cottage, which is very early on in
The bridge house. It's a hotel here. You can come, you have a hotel here around. Just on the bridge here we have Grasmere Tea Gardens. All right. Look at this beautiful restaurant here, guys. That's beautiful. Okay. Just next to the bridge we have this church. Oswald, St. Oswald Church. Okay. So guys, let me give you a small history about Grasmere. So Grasmere is a picturesque square village in the heart of the Lake District, England. Its history stretches back over 1,000 years, with Viking settlers believed to have been given the village its name, meaning grass lake. So let's check what's here. Not sure what's here. Grasmere Gather.
She said she doesn't want to keep it.
Is that, yeah, just what's that? Where are we? We're
Beautiful portraits. You find them on Grasmere Gather. This place there.